Hello everyone, welcome to Slay the World, Bombas and Manja. Now we at Fico Hotel for the wonderful and fabulous the pageant week of Sri Kandi Malaysia and X latest Sri Kandi Malaysia 2036. And beside of me we have none other than from north of Malaysia, not the region of Malaysia, Kedah, none other than Inara Naili. How are you, gorgeous?
Hello, I'm okay.
Wow, you look so fabulous today. Maybe you can share with us who do your makeup and hairdo and who design your dress for today.
My makeup from Ayu Primadonna and my outfit from Azim Aziz. Thank you.
Wow, no wonder why you look so stunning and your dress is totally super nice and gorgeous. All right, next question. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about yourself. Maybe you can introduce about yourself.
Hello, I'm Inara Naili. I'm 9 years old. I'm from Kedah. Thank you.
All right, that's wonderful introduction from you, Inara. Okay, so next question. Because we know that everyone join every single pageant with the reason. So what kind of reason that you bring or what kind of objective that you choose Latest Rekandi Malaysia as your platform to highlight yourself?
I like this pageant because it teaches children to become disciplined and kind. I also get to learn many new things. Thank you.
Wow, such a nice objective from you, Inara. Okay, next question. Because every single competition in pageantry, they have their own advocacy. So, what kind of advocacy that you bring towards latest Rekani Malaysia 2026?
My advocacy is to encourage children to always believe in themselves, be kind to others, and never give up. Thank you.
Wow, such a great advocacy from you. I think you have a very strong advocacy that you bring to latest Rekandi 2026. All right, okay, next question. Maybe you can share with us if, let's say, you be a winner of latest Rekandi Malaysia 2026. So, what kind of contribution that you like to do for your society and also for the latest Rekandi organization?
If I win, I want to make family and everyone who support me proud. I will be a good role model and represent Little Sri Kandi Malaysia with confidence and kindness. Thank you.
Wow, this is stunning from you. I truly believe that if universe align with you, you might be one of the potential winner for the latest Rekandi Malaysia this edition. Oh my God, Inara, we have a lot of questions to asking you, but we want to end this conversation with the last question. Okay, so maybe you can share with us who you would like to say thanks to everyone that supported you since day one you joined latest Rekandi Malaysia 2026.
Thank you to my family, my mentor, and everyone who support me. Your love and encouragement means so much to me. Please continue to support me. I'm Inara Naidi, Little Sri Kandi Kedah. Thank you.
Wow, that's so wonderful from you, Inara Naili. So I wish you really best of luck in represent Kedah in the latest Rekani Malaysia 2026. So best of luck to you and may the best winner win. See you again and bye bye.